Food is not just what fills the stomach, but it's what brings people together. And do you know what Mother Africa says? A family that dines together stays together. And he who cooks with love feeds many. Welcome to my kitchen, where meals tells a story. Every spice has a purpose, and every bite feels like home. And in today's video, we are going to prepare simple rice with the basic recipe. We are going to cut the tomatoes. We peel it into pieces. Then we proceed to onion, peel it into pieces, subdivide it to the sections for it to produce the smaller portions. Yeah, that makes it very easy to fry depending with the time that you have. Then the onion, we take it to the garlic, which we press for us to make the fibers in the garlic to demolish and become easy to chop and grind into pieces. The more you crush it, the more it's going to work. Then we're going to proceed to the. You take 2 cups of rice because depending on the ratio, the people who are there, to take it like the number of people are not too much, so I had to prepare just 2 cups. Then there goes my ingredients all prepared, ready for cooking. Then I proceed, take some water, water is life. Over there, put oil, let it hot. Then pour my onions, my garlic, then finally tomatoes. I leave them to cook, add some salt to taste. Me, then mix. We saute till it becomes smooth. Don't worry about the onions. The dark color of onion gives the rice the dark color, which makes it better. We add 4 cups of water because the ratio of rice were 2 cups, so the ratio of water to rice is 2 to 4. Wash our rice to reduce a lot of starch. So that after cleaning the rice, I proceed to pouring it for it to boil. And then mommy teach me that whenever you finish, you clear your worktop for to make your work easier. So I do clear my worktop or workspace to make it clean and neat while cooking. Then thereafter we proceed. Our water is ready for rice to boil in. Yeah, there goes our washed rice. It's good to wash it. It reduces a lot of starch. Mix, mix and mix till it becomes geniusly. Then we cover our rice, waiting for it to be ready
and the process is going. So we had to mix it again. We saute till it becomes uniformly like everything, all sides to get the same portion or same ratio of tomato and the rest of the ingredients that we put it in. Then leave it. There was a lot of heat. Kitchen is too hot. Then finally my rice is done. Yeah, so I was preparing tea, so crushing some ginger again. I prefer using the natural spices. It has that natural taste. So I proceeded to cook tea, add some milk. So I had some milk. So yeah, you had to warm the milk for like according to that makes the tea like so much sweet because the milk warms very well or had to boil very well before you add water to get the perfect smell of the tea, or it kills the bad smell like somehow some milk, but that normally mostly occur in raw milk, not packed one. I hate to add cinnamon, yeah, cardamom and cinnamon, then my ginger, then finally the tea leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, and ginger, then tea leaves. Yeah, need to simmer. I simmer the mixture to get in the tea for perfect well boiling, evenly distributed. Now pour my water,
Insurance cover.
leave it to cook. We have to add some tea leaves and tea leaves for tea to be somehow brown. Like for tea leaves to be enough, I didn't add enough tea leaves.
Oh my.
I waited, and finally my tea was almost popping out. Finally, rice. And tea. Bye bye. Till we meet next time for the next episode. Monabo tea.